Welcome to Kai Digital Media, where we empower creators. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to snap clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, there's a few ways you could do this. The first way I'm going to show you, and this is just a video. I was just editing the audio, so as you see, the audio is chopped up, but now I'm going to kind of push it all together to make it one cohesive project. So one way you can do snapping is you can go over here, and as you see, I already have it highlighted. I already have it selected, but you go to this magnet. And if I click the magnet and turn it off, as you see, it's not highlighted in blue, so therefore it's off. When I move these clips, it doesn't automatically snap in place. See how it just ended up right here in the middle? So if I press Control Z to push that back, and then let's just zoom in for a little bit. So to zoom in, I'll just press the plus key just to zoom in just a tad bit there. Now, what I want to do is turn this on. Now that I have it turned on, as you see, I'll just take this whole section here by highlighting both clips and move it. And as you see this black line showing up and showing the clip snap. And then see, as you see right there, it snapped to the clip in front of it. Now you always don't have to go ahead and click the magnifying glass. You can also just press S. And as you see, I press S once, it turned it off. Press S again, it turned it back on. The biggest way, let's zoom out. I'll press the minus key, and as you see I'm zooming out, you see all these clips, but I need to kind of condense them together to make it one cohesive project. It would take forever if I were just simply snapping each individual. I might end up overriding something or just messing something up. The best way to do this is by pressing Control A or Command A to select all the clips. Then you would want to go up to Sequence on the top left, and then you can go down to Close Gap. And I pressed Close Gap, and as you see, it closed all the gaps in the timeline to make one cohesive project.